Welcome. If you're tired of hearing that notification sound every time someone leaves a Discord voice channel, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you how to quickly disable the user leave notification sound on Discord web right from your PC using the latest update. No more interruptions, just a smoother, quieter Discord experience. Let's jump right in. First, open up Discord in your browser. You can use Chrome, Firefox, Edge, or any browser you prefer. Once Discord loads, look to the bottom left corner of your screen. You'll see your profile picture and username. Next to that, there's a small gear icon. This is your user settings. Go ahead and click on it. Now that you're in the user settings menu, take a look at the options on the left side. Scroll down until you find the section labeled Notifications. Click on it to open up all your notification preferences. Inside the notifications menu, you'll see a list of different notification sounds that Discord can play. These include everything from message alerts to voice channel notifications. What we're looking for is the option labeled User Leave under the Sounds section. This is the sound that plays whenever someone exits a voice channel you're in. To disable it, simply find the toggle switch next to User Leave. If the switch is blue or highlighted, that means the sound is currently enabled. Click on the switch, and it will turn gray, indicating that the sound is now disabled. That's it. You've just silenced the user leave notification. From now on, you won't hear that sound every time someone leaves a voice channel. This setting only affects your account, so you can customize your Discord experience without impacting anyone else. If you found this guide helpful, consider checking out more tips and tricks to make your Discord experience even better. Thanks for watching and enjoy your quieter voice chats.